Here we go, fourth graders. Unit 1, Lesson 2, Domain-Specific Vocab. So your learning target is I can acquire and use domain-specific vocabulary. What does domain-specific vocab mean? Words that are not used every day, words used more in a school setting. Here's an example. Abolish. That means to put an end to do away with. Your next one, disobedience. That means refusal to obey, so you refuse to do that. Your last one is reform. Reform means to improve or change by removing faults. So that is domain-specific vocabulary. Words that are used more in a school setting, words that you don't hear every day. We looked at abolish, which means to put an end to do away with. Disobedience, refusal to obey, which means you refuse to do it. And then reform, which means to improve or change by removing faults.